Qlik Sense Cloud Business enables you to create groups with which to collaborate, interact, and share with others. Groups give the group owner complete control over who can work on their apps and who can see their app. To enable groups, you have to purchase a Qlik Sense Cloud Business subscription. When you buy a Qlik Sense Cloud Business subscription, a Workspaces section is added to your left menu. Click the group to name it, and select the default region for the apps that are created in your group workspace. You cannot change the location later. The person who buys the subscription is the group owner. The group owner selects the number of people that can join their group when they purchase their subscription. Once you've created a group, you can invite people to be group members. Enter the email address of the person whom you want to invite, and then send the invitation. People that you invite will receive a notification by email. If they have a Qlik Sense Cloud account, they will also be notified the next time they log in. If they do not have an account, they will have to create one. You can create a new app or upload an existing app in your group workspace. Once your app has been created, you create a stream. Enter the name of the stream and then click on Save. To give the user permission to access the stream, select the checkbox. Here is the created stream, and this is the list of members in the group. You can add more members to the stream by clicking on the button directly from the stream page. Once you've created your stream, you can publish an app to that stream. Now all members that have access rights to this stream can view this app. From your workspace, you can continue editing the app. After you make changes to an app in your group workspace, you can publish those changes to the stream where the app has been published. The copy of the app in the stream is overwritten. You can choose to unpublish your app from a stream. When you do this, you delete the copy that is in the stream. The app is not deleted from your group workspace. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.